You are trying this example of a conversational lesson via the web. But the same learning object can be used via mobile or via smart displays such as Amazon Show, Google Smart Display or Smart TV. Hi, I'm a virtual teacher and I'll give you a little lesson on conversational learning objects. You can move through the slides and hear and read my explanations. And you can also ask questions on the topics covered. Good work! In this lesson we will talk about conversational interfaces. They can have different names, CUI, CI, but also bots, agents or chatbots. The important thing is to understand what we are talking about. Interacting with the computer with natural language and a dialogue. When you don't understand a word or an abbreviation, just ask. The technology that all the big IT companies have focused on, Google, Apple, Microsoft, IBM, Amazon, is the technology of software agents capable of communicating with human beings with written text or voice. We are facing a new wave in human-computer communication. After the command line interfaces, the graphical interfaces and mouse, the touch, it is the moment of the voice and the conversation. As always, the goal is to create simpler human-machine interfaces. The conversational user interface is born for many reasons: connected objects, deep learning, cloud computing capability and the birth of many types of intelligent objects. Many objects do not have a keyboard and can therefore be controlled by voice. But all objects can be equipped with a system for dialogue. All you need is a microphone, a speaker and an internet connection. An example is the Amazon microwave that is controlled by the voice. The nice thing is that a conversational user interface can also be used on the web, in a learning management system, on a social network or on a mobile system. Conversation can take place in written or spoken form. The conversation, written or spoken, starts to become the normal way to interface with digital systems. This does not mean that the video will disappear. Simply the visual and graphic part will be parallel or of service to the conversational part. Why is there nothing of this new wave in the field of education? The potential of the conversational user interface in e-learning is enormous, but not much is seen around. Panloquacity seeks to unite these two worlds, education and conversational agents. Let's see briefly how. Actually teaching using only the voice is a bit difficult. But now, voice-first communication is becoming multimodal. The focus is on conversation, but other media are also considered. This multimodal approach comes from new devices. Smart displays, tablets, smart TVs, virtual assistants on mobile, and can also be applied to apps or web pages. The extremely interesting thing is that the same conversational learning object can be utilized on a web page, in a web app or in a mobile app or in an innovative device like the smart display. And the conversation can take place via text, as in a chat, or via voice, as in a dialogue with a teacher. This is a definition of conversational learning object, but which types of learning objects are possible? We are only at the beginning of conversational teaching's era, but in the meantime we can indicate the most common ones. Of course, an agent can also combine different contents in the same dialoguing object. For example, a lesson may also contain Q&A on the topics covered. Ask for the item you are interested in. A conversational learning object combines within it the micro-learning and rapid learning approach. But it has in itself all the methods that a teacher can carry out. It's like having a teacher always at your side. It can also collect all student questions and improve. Panloquacity is a platform to create conversational agents and conversational learning objects in a simple and fast way. Panloquacity allows to interface what has been created with a web page, a web app, messaging channels like Slack, Telegram, Messenger, or voice channels like Google Home and Alexa. Kapamo has been working in new technologies and training for years. Its founder Roberto Gilli founded in 1999 one of the most innovative e-learning companies on the Italian scene. He took care of research and development for many years and then focused on conversational interfaces. Panloquacity is made by Kapamo. Kapamo is a small company based in Trieste, Italy. If you want to contact us, write to info@kapamo.org. This is just a demo. We have not explored the educational potential, the development methodology, the usable channels and many other things. Contact us to see them with us.